students, welcome once again to the Owl Academy of Education. Today we are going to start exercise. We are exercise of lesson 1, that is matter and its composition. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, डिटेल में आपको मैंने ये चैप्टर पहले ही एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. आज हम करेंगे इसकी एक्सरसाइज. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इट्स एक्सरसाइज. सॉल्व इस एक्सरसाइज. बुक इज न्यू ट्रेंड्स इन ICSE केमिस्ट्री. Right now, which of the following is not classified as matter? Question 1 is, take the correct choice among the following. Which of the following is not classified as matter? Rocks matter, electrolyte matter, chemical matter. So we are left with electricity as no matter. Right? The attractive forces between the molecules of different kinds are called adhesive forces, as I have told in the explanation of this chapter. Which of the molecules cannot be compressed? So we will put its answer as none of these, because all the three can be compressed. Which of the following substances is not capable of sublimating? Ammonium chloride is sublimating, iodine is also sublimating, solid carbon dioxide is also sublimating. The only thing left behind is sodium chloride is non-sublimating, because if it would have been sublimating, then there would have been a big problem in our kitchens. What is the mass of carbon dioxide? If carbon is 12, oxygen is 16. So carbon dioxide's formula is, carbon is 12, oxygen's one molecule is 16, two molecules will be 2 16 32. So we will put here a plus, so this will become 32 plus 12 equal to 44. So our answer would be B, 44. Now move on to the next questions. Here the if I fill in the blanks. Liquids have only dash free surface. Liquids have only, here our answer would be one free surface. Liquids and gases show the property of, both show the property of diffusion. What is diffusion? I have told you earlier in the previous video. Diffusion is the movement of a substance. I should write definition of diffusion here. Movement of a substance from an area of high concentration concentration to an area of low concentration. Right, students? Its examples can be like normal examples are smell of perfume, when we spray the perfume, it immediately goes around the room. Its smell immediately goes around the room. So this is the diffusion. Or another example from daily life we can take, when we open the soda or cold drink bottle. Example can be here perfume. When we open soda or a cold drink bottle, the carbon dioxide immediately comes with sound of shoo, right? So this is diffusion, right? Now the molecule number third is the molecules in a gas have high what? High kinetic energy. So we will put here high kinetic energy. The gases are, number fourth is the gases are highly dashed due to large vacant spaces between the molecules of a gas. Gases are highly compressible. COMP RESSIBLE, highly compressible. The heat needed to convert a tightly bound solid to a loosely bound liquid is called, as I have told earlier, so it will be called as latent heat of fusion. Right? Now next question is, explain in one sentence that why gases are highly compressible. Because they have, so we will write it here as because gases have, because they have large vacant spaces between their molecules, so they are highly compressible. This was question or answer of first question. Now we will write answer of the second question here, so that we need ample space. Why evaporation produces cooling? Because answer is because due to evaporation transfer of energy of where occurs between the substance. Which substance? The substance undergoing evaporation. Substance and surroundings. Substance and surroundings due to which temperature changes and due to which temperature changes producing cooling of the surroundings, right? Due to evaporation. Why evaporation produces cooling? Because due to evaporation transfer of energy occurs between the substance undergoing evaporation and its surroundings, due to which temperature changes which produces cooling, right? Now when a gas is cooled, the number of collisions decreases. Why? So its answer would be, I will like to write it here. When a gas is cooled, when we cool a gas, because due to cooling of a gas, heat is removed from the gas. When there is cooling, heat will go away, due to which what happens? Molecules of a gas lose energy resulting in fewer collisions. So the collisions would be fewer due to this reason. Due to when we cool a gas, heat is removed from the gas, due to which molecules of a gas lose energy, resulting in fewer collisions. This is the answer of this question number 3. Explanation of third question. Now naphthalene balls, number 4th is naphthalene balls are kept in woolen cloths. So we will write it here. Why? To keep the insects away from the clothes, so that they don't spoil them, right? Now naphthalene, or they are also called mothballs. Question number 5th is solids on heating change into liquid state. Why? So we will write it answer of question number 5 here. Solids on heating change into liquid state because on heating internal kinetic energy of solids increases and the particles vibrate strongly. Which weakens the force of attraction between them, which weakens the force of attraction between them and molecules move away resulting in liquid state. So this is the answer of this question number 5th. Solids on heating changes into liquid state. So this is the answer here, because on heating internal kinetic energy of solids also increases, due to which the particles vibrate strongly, and this strong vibration weakens the force of attraction between them, and hence molecules move away from each other, resulting in the liquid state. Right? So this was explanation of question number 5th. Now identify the state. Molecules exert pressure in all direction on the walls of the container. So this is gaseous state. Molecules of this state have lowest kinetic energy. Solid state. Now this state is characterized by the high density. High density is always in the solid state. Now it can have any number of free surfaces. So this is a gaseous state. Gaseous state has any number of free surfaces. It can occupy the whole space available to them. Liquid state. Right? Now we will move on to the next question, that is answer the following questions. Name the two quantities that are not regarded as matter. Here we can give the examples of heat, sound, right? What are cohesive forces? The attractive forces, the attractive forces between the molecules of same kind. This has also been explained earlier. In which state is maximum collisions observed? Number third, this is gaseous state. State law of conservation of mass, as already explained. So explained already. Name a sublimable compound which is used to avoid insects and Captain Woolen. So it has naphtha. Lean. Define vapor. So its definition has been explained on page 19 of your book. Please read from there. Do it from there at page 19. Define matter. Also give its characteristics. This is also given at page 13 of your book. Describe gaseous state with respect to intermolecular spaces and force of attraction. So we will write its answer here. In gaseous state, intermolecular spaces are large. Intermolecular spaces are large and force of attraction are negligible. And force of attraction are negligible. Now, what is latent heat of vaporization? This has also been given at page 17 of your book. Please read it from there, do it from there. Give any two units of interconversion of matter. These are also given at page 19, already explained to you. And question number 11 is differentiate between gas and vapor. So this has also been given on page 19 of your book. State kinetic energy of matter. This has already been explained by me in the previous video. Do it from there. It is at page 14. Right, students? Do it from there. Now we move on to the page next. Yes, this is good to be done by me. Give one word for the following. The process by which molecules strikes with each other. So one word for it is collision. Collision. Temperature at which liquid changes into vapor is its boiling point. Heat needed to convert a tightly bound solid into loosely bound liquid. This is called latent heat of fusion. Right. Number 4 is the solid obtained after solidification of vapors of sublimable compound is residue is sublimate. A natural substance capable of existing in all the three states is water. It is liquid when water, it is solid when ice, it is gas in the form of vapors. Right. Now students, we will move on to part G. Help Sanjam. Please help Sanjam to complete the following. So how we will help him? Molecules gain liquid on heating its molecule gain. Here we will give as more kinetic energy. Right. Then number of molecules escaping from the surface increases. Here we will put the surface. Now it is formed under special conditions of room temperature. Here we will put room temperature, and here we will put pressure. PRESSUR, pressure. Then we will get what? Vapors. Two examples of vapors are, first is we commonly see water vapors, and second we see iodine vapors, naphthalene, iodine vapors. Now show that the following equations are in accordance with the law of conservation of mass. It is simple. We will see number of reactants equal to number of products. Mass of reactants equal to mass of products. Here Fe is equal to 56, S is equal to 32. So it will become 6 plus 2 8, 88 of reactants, and products will also 88 Fe plus S. Here S2 to Cl is 35.5 to the 71. So it has become 73. So here also we will get 2H Cl. 2 multiplied 1 2 plus 71 equal to 73. Now differentiate in the three states of matter on the basis of the following. Intermolecular forces of attraction are large in solids, lesser than in liquids, they are lesser than solids, and in gases they are negligible. intermolecule spaces, they are negligible in solids, because molecules are tightly packed. Liquid more than solids, and in gases they are very large. Number of collisions, they are tightly packed, therefore negligible, and in liquids they are more than solids as it is, and in gases they are more or highest. Now number of surfaces, here also negligible or no surface. Here only one free surface, and in gases no free surface. Kinetic energy, it is also negligible in solids, and negligible in solids. Kinetic energy is negligible in solids, more than solids in liquids, and in gases it is also negligible. So students, it was all about your exercise of lesson first. If you have understood it well, then please make more and more like, share and subscribe. If you have any problem in it, you can come to our comment section of our channel and discuss there. So it is all for now. We will meet in the next video with some other topic, other lesson. Till then, it's goodbye. Enjoy your lockdown by remaining at home, right? If you face any problem in your studies, you can consult us in the comment section. It's goodbye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.